In the previous video, we have just started the new chapter, that was chemicals and chemical changes. In that, we have seen, that is the chemical substance, in that elements, compounds and mixtures. And now moving forward to the chemical symbols. In this video, we will see the chemical symbols. Chemical symbols. Okay, students. So, first of all, what is chemical symbols? Here, if I say that my name is Harshal, my name is Harshal, it is written over here. Yes, then also I am just writing over here Harshal. And our PT sir, its name, his name is Kishan. Okay, so here this is Harshal and this is Kishan sir. Okay, so if I tell that, in short, I can write that H, and in Kishan I can write K. In that way, all the chemicals have their symbols, where here our first letter is H, so we have written here H. Our first letter is K, Kishan sir's first letter is K, so I have written here K. Okay, if we take Mihir sir, then his name starts from M, so I can write here M. So in that way, there are chemical names and the symbols are given according to the first letter of their name. Okay, students, let us see that. See here, first I am reading the theory. Here, there are more than 100 elements that exist in the nature. These elements have been assigned chemical name after scientists, countries and planets. In order to ensure a uniform and easy system of representation, each element has been assigned an abbreviation of their chemical names. The abbreviation used to represent elements are called chemical symbols. See here, assigning abbreviations or chemical symbols follow a set of rules. See here, there are some of the rules. For some elements, the first letter appearing in the name of element is in English is used as its symbol, such as hydrogen. See here, I am just writing some of the element name. No, I will just draw a table which is drawn over here for symbol of common elements. See here, for hydrogen it is H, for carbon it is C, for nitrogen that is N, for oxygen that is O. When the name of two or more elements begin with the same letter, the element name begin with the same letter, then what we have to do? If I take an example, see here, the example is given over here, calcium and cobalt. These both have C and C in first. So what they have to do? In calcium they have to Ca, and in cobalt they have to do Co. And in xenon that is Xe, and helium that is He, and bromine that is Br. Okay. For other elements, another distinct letter is such as chlorine that is Cl, magnesium that is Mg, manganese that is Mn, and zinc that is Zn. Okay. Symbol of some elements have been derived from their Latin names, such as iron that is Fe, gold that is Au, and silver that is Ag. See here, a table is given over here. So first is aluminium. I am just not writing one, two words. Aluminium. So aluminium is written as Al. Okay, small l, not big. Al. Then coming to barium. barium. Barium is written as symbol in Ba. Then coming to boron. Boron, that is only B. Then third, that is calcium. Calcium, that is Ca. Then carbon, that is C, capital C. Then fluorine, that is F. Then coming towards gold, that is Au, that is orum. Then coming helium, that is He, H capital E small. Then coming hydrogen, that is H, hydrogen, that is H. Then after hydrogen, that is iodine, that is I. Then lithium, that is Li, L capital I small. Then coming magnesium, that is Mg. Then coming mercury, that is Hg. Why it is known as Hg? You can see a spelling over down in the bracket. And then coming neon, that is Ne, N capital E small. Then coming nitrogen, capital N. Then coming potassium, that is K. Then coming silicon, that is S capital I small. Then it is silver, that is Ag. Okay. Then coming sodium, that is N capital A small. Then coming sulfur, that is capital S. Then it is chlorine, that is Cl, C capital L small. Then copper, that is Cu. Then coming iron, that is Fe, F capital E small. Then coming lead, that is Pb. Oxygen, that is O. Phosphorus, phosphorus, that is capital P. Then coming uranium, that is capital U, and at last that is zinc, that is Zn. Okay, that is Zn. Now, these are some of the elements which chemical symbols are given here in your textbook in a table form. Okay, you have to just remember all the symbols. That if I ask you what is the symbol of chlorine, then you have to speak what? Cl. If I say silver, then Ag, gold, then Au, oxygen, then O, hydrogen, then H, helium, then He, then phosphorus P, uranium U, zinc Zn, copper Cu, magnesium Mg, mercury Hg. You have to remember all these symbols and names. Okay, students. Now, moving forward, significance of symbol. So, how these significance come of symbol? See here, a symbol of a chemical elements represent one atom of that element. It also denotes the absence of the element. For example, O is a symbol that represents the element oxygen as well as one atom of oxygen. Okay, significance of symbol means if you write O1, then it is what? It is also one atom of oxygen. Then here a let's answer is given that you have to do in your homework. And just coming to atomicity. Atomicity. Okay, students. So, first of all, what is atomicity? Just read the definition which is given in your textbook. Then after I am just writing that on the board. See here, atomicity. What is first of all atomicity? The number of atoms, the numbers of atoms, the numbers of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. So, what is atomicity, students? That you have to remember this definition, that the numbers of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. What? I am just reading it again. The numbers of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. See here, I am just reading the description which is given over here. Here you can see the figures are given: monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, tetraatomic molecule. Atoms of many elements cannot exist independently. Two or more atoms combine to form a molecule in this element. The numbers of atoms present in one molecule element is known as its atomicity. A molecule of an element is represented by specifying the atomicity as subscript to its chemical symbol. For example, chemical symbol of hydrogen is H and its atomicity is 2. Thus, one hydrogen molecule can be represented as H2. Here, see here, how the hydrogen is represented with atomicity. Hydrogen that is written as H and its atomicity is 2. Okay, the two molecule of an element is there in the hydrogen, so it is written H2. Okay, then elements can be classified on the basis of atomicity. See here, elements monoatomic. First of all, monoatomic. Monoatomic. So, what is monoatomic? The elements which have a single molecule in an element that are known as monoatomic, and the examples are helium, that is He, neon, that is Ne, sodium, that is Na, and iron, that is Fe. So these are the monoatomic elements. Now the another type is diatomic. Diatomic elements. So what is diatomic elements? Which are diatomic elements? That is hydrogen, which is written as H2, nitrogen, that is N2, oxygen, that is O2, and chlorine, that is Cl2, small l. Okay, and then coming towards tetraatomic elements. Tetraatomic elements. So they are phosphorus. It is a molecule phosphorus, that is P4, which is tetraatomic molecule. Okay. So this is the atomicity. What is atomicity? First of all, the numbers of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. And there are how many? We can also just classify these elements into according to the atomicity. See, the elements which have only one molecule of an element, they are known as monoatomic, which are helium, neon, sodium, iron. Okay, and diatomic, that is hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine. Then coming to tetraatomic, that is phosphorus. Okay, students. So in your homework, what you will do is, in your homework, symbol of common element which is table 4.1 that you have to do in your homework, and let's answer. Let's answer which is on the page number 45. Okay, this you have to do in your homework, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.